Ladies and gentlemen, this is Daniel Helmy with Hot Trades of the Day with an emergency edition. You know, I usually don't do these. If I do emergency editions, it's something big happening in the market, and it's happening in silver right now as we speak. Silver is breaking out. It is breaking out above the crucial resistance zone of 35.50, the purple line right here. As you can see in the background, as you hear with the music, I apologize for the bad audio. I am in a cafe in Warsaw right now, meeting a friend for a lunch break, but I have to get this out to you as fast as possible. We have the breakout on the daily. Not confirmed yet, because obviously we're still in the trading day. But if this stands, this is the breakout we're waiting for. We're already seeing the first signs of the short squeeze that will be happening. If we go on the hourly, you can see that we already confirmed the breakout on the hourly. Now it's about the daily. The interesting one will be tomorrow, okay? So what I expect will happen now is the shorts, and they're powerful institutions on the short side in silver, massive short positions, okay? So they will try to push this down. They have no time to waste. This has to happen today and or tomorrow. Why? Tomorrow is Friday, end of the week. If we get a breakout candle on the weekly basis as well, besides the hourly and the daily, that's a major buy signal, and then we will see big time short squeeze coming in the coming weeks. We might get a test back of 35.50. I wouldn't even bet on it, because now it is everybody for themselves on the short side, and whoever's out first is the one that's losing the least amount of money. So let me show you what the picture looks like if we flip to the monthly. Now the monthly, obviously not that relevant right now, because, well, we literally have the first week of June. But just to show you what we're talking about a new 14-year high that we just made in silver. If we would close where we close today, you see it here beautifully. You see then we broke the resistance zone 35.50. We also have the highest close since the beginning of 2011. And I'm basically going to take the escalator up to 40 and then 50, and new all-time highs on the horizon in 2025. This is a major development. That's why this emergency podcast absolutely warranted. I hope you build up your silver positions. I've been recommending to buy silver for a long time now. The silver stocks are overheated short term, but it doesn't matter if the silver price is running, the silver stocks are running. So I hope you have your list ready, what to buy in the silver market. I recommend plays like Pan American Silver could be a good one to look at. They will run as well. Any weakness now in the silver stocks, it's buy big time. Any weakness on silver, the metal, it's buy from now on. This is a major development, literally a historic development. You look at the monthly charts, you see that this is a 14-year high, like a 14-year base. If we complete this doesn't end with a run to 40 or 50. Okay, this is not how this goes. This long-term, you know the old Wall Street saying, the longer the base, the higher in space. If this holds, we're talking long-term price target next 5 years for silver, $100 an ounce, absolutely realistic. But first, let's take one step after another. First, we're going to have the run through 40, then the run through 50. Then we'll see where we go from there. And there will be correction phases along the way. But we have a trend reversal here. The bottoming process is finished. We are officially launching a new rally phase in silver. Talk to you later. Regular video comes tomorrow. Bye-bye. If you like the content, help us get to 2,500 subscribers. And as a thank you, we'll start a real money portfolio with gold mining stocks, uranium mining stocks, and Bitcoin.